So hi Calabinians, I'm gonna have lunch here at the Meat House. So I'm gonna try their meaty specialties because as their tagline says, deliciously meaty. I'm gonna have some meat for lunch and I know I'm gonna have a full stomach after my meal here. So let's check out what's in store for us here. Come on. So they basically serve rib eyes here, as well as ribs and Angus beef burger. But they also serve several starters like pigs in a blanket, buffalo wings, and also sausages and many more. So if you like meat, probably you have to check this place out. They're located in the near Ginza Plaza in Manila, in Kasampagan. So it's near Sem Park actually. So it's one of those side streets here. So, and check their website. It's www.themeathouse.ph. I'm almost done, and one of the exciting sauces here is the Tanjari pepper sauce. It's really made of kulikot. It's from Dinagat Island. It's really spicy, although I don't know if this really goes well with the chops, but it was okay, but very spicy. And I'm gonna put some. Oh, yeah. If you love some heat, definitely this sauce is good. Although normally I just put some liquid seasoning, but their meat is really seasoned well, so no need to really put much of anything. I really enjoyed it. I was able to finish all 400 grams, and I guess if you love meat, then there's a new place in town for meat lovers, I would say. Check them out, the Meat House.